We do not come into this world. We come out of it as leaves from a tree. As the ocean waves, the universe peoples. Every individual is an expression of the whole realm of nature, a unique action of the total universe. This fact is rarely, if ever, experienced by most individuals. Even those who know it to be true in theory do not sense or feel it, but continue to be aware of themselves as isolated egos inside bags of skin. The first result of this illusion is that our attitude to the world outside us is largely hostile. We are forever conquering nature, polluting the air and water, and fighting the environment, instead of understanding that we are the environment, that the world is not something we are in, but something we are.